Breakfast for the dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you making? Grass? You making some grass for the doggies? Oh, you gonna give some to Yuli? Or are you gonna give it to Shotzi? June, you gonna give some to Yuli? Oh. Hey, look at mommy. Look what I got. Look what's up here. Judy. Hey. I know, I'm not very interesting. What are you doing?
Doggies.
Making food for the doggies.
Okay. Doggies. Table. Hi. Here's the table.
Is that the table? You set the table for the doggies? I don't think the doggies want to eat grass and rocks. Did you pet Shotzi? Did you pet him? Did you give Shotzi a kiss? No, you're too busy, huh? Way too busy. Can you say hi, Yaya?
Hi, Yaya.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa. Can you say hi, Grandpa?
Hi, Grandpa.
Can you say hi, Papu? Can you say hi, Gigi?
Hi, Gigi.
Can you say hi, GP?
Hi, Gigi.
Can you say hi, Huggy?
Huggy.
Yeah. Can you say hi, Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Can you say hi, Sue?
Hi, June.
Can you blow a kiss? You're just gonna blow? Okay. Can you give a kiss to the camera? Let me see your kiss. Can I see your kiss? Okay, no kiss.